For anyone out there who's buying or is servicing or he has trouble with 1 liter EcoBoost, I would recommend to check the wet belts. If you're buying the car, make sure that you have receipts for the previous owner where it's documented or taking the pictures of that wet belt being replaced. They're falling apart and they're working as submerging the oil, and when they start falling apart, they start blocking the oil strainer or oil pump, and then everything else falls apart. Be aware, they're open deck engines. That means you will get them sometimes with the water consumption, coolant, and they'll give you symptoms of overheating, coolant loss, and that's going to be probably a head gasket. Very common thing on 1 liter EcoBoost. Be aware of. This here, it's the cylinder head of 1 liter EcoBoost. As you can see, it's made out of a Chinesium. So be aware of that as well. It's 1 liter EcoBoost. It's very efficient and small engine. Seems like they're just trying to save money. Ford isn't a bad manufacturer. They are pushed in the corner and they have to make things better and cheaper. This is a small cylinder head for 100 and 120 horsepower 1 liter EcoBoost. It's only a 3-cylinder, so it's 3-cylinder engine. It's pushing a lot of power for the size of that car, and it's only like a Ford Focus or Ford Fiesta. It's still a heavy enough car for the size of that engine. Make sure that it's all well documented, regularly changed oil, belts have been replaced, thermostats, everything else is in order. Then purchase that car. You will more likely have a good car, or else you're just buying a trap where you're gonna just spend money and money and money, and eventually you're gonna spend money and sell that car because you're gonna have a bad experience. Like, I had a case over here where the thing actually got overheated. The lobes just completely overheated over the stupid timing belt, degrading and blocking the strainer, and it was just no oil flow, and the thing just got melted. So just be aware of where you're buying and from who you're buying, and make sure if it's documented. There's so many of them on the market, and I guarantee you're gonna find one of them where you're gonna find everything documented. Buy that one. Don't buy the one with no service history. Although it's probably cheaper, you're still gonna spend money in the future on replacements or repairs. That's it.